Uy, frozen yogurt store sa Pulilan. Nasubukan nyo na? As low as 69 pesos lang. Tara! Yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa 44 National Road, Poblacion, Pulilan, Bulacan. In front lang ng St. Dominic Academy para mag-dessert sa Simply Froyo. Yes, meron silang frozen yogurt na makakabili ka for as low as 69 pesos lang. Slight size for the yogurt. At depende na lang sa prefer mo na laki ng cup at dami ng toppings yung presyo. Syempre, bestseller ang Sublime at Superb. Available topping here ay crunches na Crush Oreos, sliced almonds, choco droplets, white droplets, coco crunch, choco chip cookies, cornflakes, sprinkles, granola, brownies, fruits na dragon fruit, mango, strawberry, at marami ring sauce like ube sauce, white choco, dark chocolate, mango sauce, blueberry sauce, strawberry sauce, yema fudge, caramel, lotus biscuit the bestseller, matcha fudge, Nutella hazelnut. O diba, kaya ma-enjoy mo talaga ang froyo mo based na din sa gusto mong toppings dahil maraming pagpipilian dito. Kung gusto mo ng drinks, meron ding bago. You can try their fizz drinks, you can try spritz kiwi and strawberry spark tapos may sundae on top. While for yogurt drink, try cookie, caramel crush, and milky strawberry naman for milky drinks. May 4 branches na nga pala sila by the way, and this is their operating hours for Pulilan branch. Meron sila ditong board games and card games and they have free wifi. And they also have loyalty cards. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Simply Froyo sa Pulilan, Bulacan. Let's go!